So massive hack just happened on Bitmart, and because of this, millions and millions of Shiba Inu tokens have been stolen. So what is happening here and what's going to happen in the future of SHIB? Also new updates about Robinhood, and we'll deal with Shiba Inu in the future. We're going to talk about that today in this video. So I recommend you guys watch the entire video to understand what's going to happen to Shiba Inu in the future. And of course, if you do enjoy this video, we encourage me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go and check it out. So here we are in CoinMarketCap. As you see, the market cap right now for Shiba Inu, it's still at $20 billion. And the volume here did go, we're at $2 billion right now. We're 41% down here for the volume. So of course we did have the massive market crash, but ever since then we did pump up and we did start to stabilize. Like I said, right now we're at 0.00036. We have to talk about it. We have to see what's been happening and check out the chart. But first I want to talk about this here, what's been happening. So it says here, confirmed SafeMoon tokens have been stolen and dumped after Bitmart exchange was hacked earlier today. Update is being reported tens of millions worth of Floki, Saitama, and SHIB were also stolen during this same hack. So, massive hack here did happen here for Shiba Inu and a lot of different tokens here. Like I said, Saitama, Floki, this all happened on Bitmart. So, guys, we have to be patient right now. Bitmart is trying to solve everything right now and trying to get back the money these hackers did steal. So somebody says here, Bitmart better have a contingency to repay their customers. Not sure this alone would cause a market-wide sell-off of nearly every token. No, this is not the biggest reason why the whole crypto market did go down. It's basically because of leverage. It's because of leverage trading. It's because the longs being liquidated and the scarcity of the market. People are super scared right now, and the fear in the market is happening right now. So, but as you see, a ton of tokens did go up. So people did buy the dip. If you do check out Bitcoin right now, we're back at 49,000, but we were at 42,000. So seeing this, still pretty much amazing that we are still stabilizing here for Bitcoin and so many other tokens. So a lot of people did buy the dip for so many tokens here. But we're going to talk about SHIB right now. This is a triangle I formed a long time ago. I've been talking to you guys about, and as you can see, we still did break the top side of this triangle. Now, what is a catalyst for this? Basically, if you go here to Shiba Inu's Twitter, it was the Kraken listing. So when Kraken finally listed Shiba Inu, we had a massive price bump. We actually increased here, I think, by 50%. If we do measure this from this low all the way to here, it's 48%. There you go. But we got rejected right over here at this level, as you can see. Ever since we did get rejected, we continued to go down, and then the massive crash happened, and basically we did go down by 45%. A ton of people did buy the dip, and we're back in these two levels between basically 0.004 and 0.0034. So this is really good. I did tell you guys basically that we're gonna stabilize. The best thing that can happen in the SHIB is to stabilize until something big happens. Kraken exchange adding Shiba Inu was something big, and we did break the top side. Now hopefully we're going to continue to stabilize in these two areas, because I still believe that the crypto market is okay, that we're still in the bull run. But what I believe right now that happened is that we basically prolonged the bull run right now. That it's going to be a lot longer than before, because I thought something like in January, December is going to end. Then now we're gonna go maybe even all the way to April, maybe even to summer, until like Bitcoin reaches some astronomical number. So we prolonged basically the chart here. We prolonged crypto being bullish. So seeing that does show you hope that a lot of different projects can go up, and of course Shiba Inu does have the potential now to again also go up in price. So still good things happening. We're still stabilizing. People that still buy the dip. How much did we increase if we just measured again? Yeah, we increased by 30%. So yeah, a lot of people did buy the dip, and now we're still stabilized. Like I said, people are holding their SHIB still. Like I said, we're still at 20 billion market cap. That's a huge market cap here for Shiba Inu. So we're still doing a really great job. It would be a problem if we broke down, of course, but as you can see, the support level, this is huge. This is huge support level right now for SHIB. The 0.34. So If we do go below this area again, then we're going to continue to go down. We have to either stabilize right now, or like I said, something big is happening to SHIB if we want to break through and then continue to go up. We need a price reversal right now, but not too many big things are happening. At least not too many good things are happening. So we did get listed, but after that, not too many new news. So patience is key. The last post we have from the 29th. So yeah, nothing here from SHIB, but like I said, the hack here that happened, again, more FUD, more fear in the market, which is just not good. But we've been seeing a lot of people talking about SHIB. Look at this. It's just calling it what it is. This was a crash, folks. One of the single day worst, not a dip, a flat out crypto market crash. Hundreds of billions wiped in a matter of minutes. So, but here we are, still way up. If you bought before October, you're likely still doing well. And by next year, this time, you'll be glad you held through and maybe bought more. Patience is the key. To those that held through, congrats. This is one of the worst single days I've seen. You've bested a huge hurdle, kept yourself in check, and shown those diamond hands. So stay strong, SHIB Army. Together we are the whale. We are Roshi. So yeah, pretty cool. So see, rich people are dumping all of their assets right now, including crypto. CEOs are selling off large chunks of their company stocks. This is clear market manipulation. They'll all buy back in next year at discount prices and get even richer. This is why it is so important to hold. They're counting on paper-handed bees to sell so they can stock up more wealth at a huge discount. They won't be satisfied until they own everything. I do believe this is true. I do believe this is true. Like whales, this is what whales do. So how do the whales manipulate the market? Basically, look at this. So huge sell-off. We had a massive pump. A lot of whales selling here, the token, boom, reaching all the way to here, and they buying the dip, boom, and then just the coin increasing here. So this is what happens. This is what happens in the market. Who bought the dip? Of course, big whales, because who bought the Bitcoin dip? Like Bitcoin had to increase 16%, which is insane. That's a lot of money. So a lot of people here did buy the dip. Like if you bought the dip for $1,000, it's not going to impact the price too much. But if you bought millions and millions of dollars of Bitcoin, then yes. I think MicroStrategy bought $400 million worth of Bitcoin in the last week. So there you go, buying the dip. And I think the president of El Salvador also bought the dip. So people are buying the dip. People are buying the dip for every single coin here, which should mean that we're, like I said, still in the bull run and that everything still should be okay. So I want to talk about Robinhood here. We also have like a doctor thing here that like people have been talking about this. So since you pay for your prescriptions, medication in Canada starting this Monday using SHIB or Doge with our partners Greencrest Pram, I think. So there you go. That's insane to see that you could buy medication with your Shiba Inu tokens. So awesome to see. And this person has been chilling like these guys have been chilling Shiba Inu. So see, as the doctor now has 65 billion SHIB on our balance sheet. Awesome, just awesome to see that normal companies, normal everyday companies are investing into Shiba Inu and having like payment methods with Shiba Inu. Let's see, Ask the Doctor needs SHIB, not SHIB needs Ask the Doctor. Robinhood needs SHIB, not SHIB needs Robinhood. The people community are always the most important thing. Yes, this line right here, Robinhood needs SHIB, not SHIB needs Robinhood, is so important because it's the other way around. So it's not that we need Robinhood to list SHIB, it's that Robinhood, if we want to be more successful, needs to list SHIB. If they want to attract new customers, a lot of new people, they need to list SHIB. But we do have like this last article from them way back then of the 10th of November saying here, Robinhood says it might not need coins like Shiba Inu on its platform. So they saying here, Robinhood crypto COO actually, we're in no rush to list tokens like SHIB. So that's about it. And then Shiba Inu News just replying here saying, that's fine, we don't need you anyway. So this is how it does work. I still think Robinhood is waiting for something. They're waiting for their wallets to be done. When their crypto wallet is done, they're gonna start to add more and more tokens to Robinhood, of course. And a big possibility that they're going to list Shiba Inu is, of course, there. So do we need Robinhood? In the end, no. What we need is more utility, more companies using Shiba Inu as a way of payment. Like I said, this is one of the biggest meme coins. We're like 19, 20 billion market cap. That's an insane market cap. If you invested on day one for Shiba Inu here, I think like Shiba Inu is the most, if you look at from where it started and all-time high, it's the most top earning token ever. Like if you invested in day one, you would earn more than from buying Bitcoin from the start. So that's insane. That's just absolutely insane. So yeah, guys, in the end, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me if you could like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.